हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश कुमार और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं दिस टॉपिक लिक्विड कंटेनर सब्जेक्टेड टू कांस्टेंट वर्टिकल एक्सेलरेशन। फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द टैंक. This is the tank. In this, liquid is the up to liquid is inside up to a certain level. Its free surface is AB and it is moving with a vertical acceleration A. Now friends, we should consider here a small elementary prism. Its bottom surface is DF and top surface is up to this free surface. Top surface is coincide with free surface. Now its height is equal to h. Okay friends, the tank is moving in a vertical acceleration, or we can say vertical direction with vertical acceleration a. Now friends, you see here, this is the elementary prism. Now we consider which type of forces is working on the elementary prism. Here the cross-sectional area of the prism is equal to dA. We can say something like this, it is. Okay friends, something like this. So its cross-sectional area is equal to dA. Here it is the free surface, so here atmospheric pressure will work. So P naught is the atmospheric pressure and here it is the liquid pressure P. The weight of the elementary prism is equal to W. See friends, here this atmospheric pressure force is working in the downward direction, weight also working in the downward direction, but this fluid pressure, or we can say pressure at surface dA, pressure force, it will work in the upward direction. Getting friends? So according to Newton's law, Newton's second law, or we can say, see here friends, this tank is moving in upward direction. So what is the net force? According to Newton's second law, net force in vertical direction क्या हो जाएगा friends? Here you see this element पर तो net force क्या हो जाएगा? One force is working P naught into dA in downward direction, weight also in downward direction, this P naught into dA in the vertical direction. So this net force equal to mass into acceleration. So the net force in vertical direction, vertical upward direction equal to mass into acceleration. This is it is saying that Newton's second law of motion. Now friends, see here. So net force क्या हो जाएगा friends? This is working in upward direction. So P into dA, it is also moving upward direction. So इसमें से क्या करेंगे? Other force को minus करेंगे. Or we can say this P into dA minus, because it is opposite direction. So P into dA minus P naught into dA minus rho g dA into h. Rho g dA means what? What is the weight of this prism? Weight of the prism is equal to friends, we can say rho, or we can say here weight क्या हो जाएगा? Mass into gravitational acceleration is equal to weight. Mass क्या हो जाएगा? Density into volume. Volume क्या हो जाएगा? Volume into g. और volume क्या हो जाएगा? Here we can say volume is equal to dA into h is the volume. So rho into dA into h into g. This is the weight. मास कितना हो जाएगा? m is equal to रो, g वाला फैक्टर नहीं रहेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? मास इज इक्वल टू रो इनटू वॉल्यूम. सो रो इनटू डी इनटू h is the mass and weight is equal to rho dA h into g. Okay friends, this is Newton and this is kg. Getting friends? Now here you see friends. So here this P into dA minus P naught dA minus rho g dA h equal to, this is the mass, rho dA h into A. Getting friends? This is weight, this is the mass, rho g dA into h and rho g dA h. Okay, now you see here friends, this dA, 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 we can cancel out. We can cancel out here dA, 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 and dA we cancel out. So what is left here? P minus P naught equal to this term we will send this side, rho G H, rho G H minus it will go plus here. So rho G H plus here see rho H A. So यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा friends? Rho H A. Now here you see P minus P naught equal to rho H is common, rho H, rho H. So what we will do, rho GH will take common here. So क्या हो जाएगा? This term is equal to 1 plus here left A divided by G. So P minus P naught is equal to rho GH bracket 1 plus A by G. Friends, we know that this pressure P minus this is the liquid pressure, this is the atmospheric pressure. So P minus P naught, what it is showing? It is just showing gauge pressure. So it is a gauge pressure Pg. We can say Pg is equal to P minus P naught equal to rho GH 1 plus A by G. Or we can say same only, Pg is equal to rho GH plus rho HA. Getting friends? It is clear? Okay, now you see here friends, density of the liquid is constant, G value is constant, area, sorry, A is the acceleration also constant because we are taking the movement with constant vertical acceleration. So friends, this term, this and this is constant, one is also constant. So this gauge pressure is only H. Okay, so this Pg only vary with H. If H value is increasing, gauge pressure will also increase. If H value is decreasing, then this value will also decrease. Or we can say friends here, hence this rho G is constant, so hence variation of gauge pressure is linear, because here you see no square sign is there, so this gauge pressure is linear. Okay, and when H is equal to 0, here this is the what? This is the Pg. So this H is equal to 0, this H is equal to 0 means the whole term will be 0. So P minus P naught is equal to 0, or we can say P equal to P naught. Getting friends? When H is equal to 0, so this P minus P naught whole term here will 0, or we can say P is equal to P naught. It means friends, what is the value of this one? What is the meaning of this one? It means here you see, when this H value is equal to 0, it means this free surface everywhere liquid pressure is same. Here you can say at this pressure free surface this P is equal to P naught. It means friends, everywhere equal pressure will be there. So the level of the free surface is, we can say it will be horizontal only. It will not incline, it will be horizontal. Last time in horizontal case the free surface is inclined, but in this case friends, it will be horizontal. Getting friends? Now you see here, we see here friends, already we discussed here this gauge pressure Pg is equal to rho Gh plus rho Ha. So how can we draw on this in this tank? So friends, here you see rho Gh, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? प्लस हो रहा है. When the tank is moving upward, then it will be add. Okay, when tank is moving upward, then क्या हो जाएगा friends? It will be plus here, rho Gh plus rho Ha. So in this case, you see here, this is the static pressure. Rho Gh is equal to what? Static pressure. But rho Ha, because of the movement in upward direction, this extra pressure is working. That's why this gauge pressure क्या हो जाएगा friends? This pressure and this pressure will add. So here this is the, up to this is the rho Gh. This is the static pressure rho Gh. And here due to upward movement, extra pressure is working. So it is equal to the rho HA. Getting friends? So the equivalent is equal to what? Equivalent is equal to, it is shown by this red line. So the total, we can say total pressure is working, total pressure P mass P naught rho GH 1 plus A by A is the total gauge pressure. So it is equal to the this, from this point to this point. Getting friends? Now if you say, if it is moving downward direction, then what happened? If it is moving downward direction, then what happened, friends? So when the tank is moving vertically downward directions with constant acceleration A, so in this case क्या हो जाएगा friends? This term will be minus. This term will be minus. Earlier it is plus here, 1 plus A by G. Now it will be minus here, rho GH 1 minus A by G, or we can say rho GH minus rho AH. So friends, here you see, this is the static pressure, rho GH, but it is also coming with the constant acceleration downward direction. So क्या हो जाएगा, the net हो जाएगा, the net कम हो जाएगा. So rho GH 1 minus A by G, this is the resultant pressure. Okay friends, P minus P naught. Getting friends? So जब अपवर्ड जाएगा तो क्या होगा, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन जाएगा तो क्या होगा. नाउ वी आर गेटिंग क्लियर हियर. ओके फ्रेंड्स, देन वी कैन फाइंड द फोर्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. फ्रेंड्स, मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.